guys, I think, yeah, this mirror block really broke me. It's mid of the night and look the tragedy. My heart dropped off to see what has just, but I immediately thought that was the mirror. This mirror hosts memories. That's why I will always cherish the memories I hold with it. I won't even see it. Bye.
Just say goodbye to our mirror. Yay, Liz. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Yeah, today is Sunday and the normal Sunday. Hey, now ndivuga. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, it's Benitha and you're back with another video for the channel. Iyo niyo intro yanjye na kera nagiraga, but yeah, nzaza introducing myself. Okay, so today is Sunday and yeah, we are about to see how it goes. My Sunday, per usual, there's nothing more much, but in this vlog, you guys, in this video, ndaza kubabwira like how has been all the things niki. Guys, I met nyine nabonye in this brand collabo as an influencer, ariko nyine the rights and stuff zari mu contract nagomba gusinya. Abantu mujya kuri Snapchat murabizi, ntabwo nabashije kusinya kubera ko there had been some rights niki, kuko I didn't get, ntabwo numva ukuntu umuntu yagira bakoresha nyine bafite yawe just for cyangwa video yawe nyine for the lifetime ntagiye ntarengwa. So that kinda made me think of what if izina ryanjye cyangwa se, kuko I believe ko nzagira ahantu kure. I believe that nzagira ahantu kure and bakunze gukoresha amafoto yanjye nabitangiye kure nyine kubera ko nabahabwa uburenganzira. So I was like, no, there has to be some, but I thank God ko nafashe umwanzuro. I felt sorry for myself, pity at the same time, but I'm giving myself grace. Kuba nashafata umwanzuro nk'uwo nguwo, ubundi nyine nkagira gute nyine nkaba nashafata umwanzuro gutyo ndi ku mfata umwanzuro nzi icyo nshaka mu buzima and birababaza, it's kinda hard ariko sometimes nyine ndiko nabajije n'aba fellow content creators inshuti zanjye, ndababaza simwe mu bigenze ngo ndambwa ati niba harimo nyine the perpetual lights wakoresha igihe cyose amafoto yawe no limit is being set, gasugura mba wasaze, it's a no. I can't even tolerate that. How is that? So thank God there nabashije kumva their opinions and ndavuga wow, thank God we align. Numvaga nyine ndi nko mu makosa kuba ntarabyemeye kubera ko nyine even ko naragize even the brand itself is like it's too big, because I will get the advantage of that, even they will get advantage of me. But the fact that we didn't get to work together because of the contracts and the lies within, it was like no one day we are both winning in this. this on the wall. So I'm using this tape. I bought it on the Kiku, but it was a waste. But yeah, let's just try to stick them on the wall.
You need loving from a real one like me. He can't do nothing, but you feel it with me. That's dangerous when you're with him. Keep playing us, I know. Ooh, you know this love is dangerous.
Hi guys, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. Right now I'm just from work, focusing, and I ran e-pills. Usanga for some and some minutes. Yeah, I'm just going home. I feel grateful. I feel like, I feel too quiet. Yeah, let's just go home. Ndishima iyo ntashye kubera ko feels therapeutic. So we are continuing our video on YouTube. Uduhagaze ahantu, and guys, hari igihe nyine abantu mu buzima bagatuma nyine wumva ufeelinga too weak or too low. Never give yourself that energy. Reka ntuzigere wiha that energy of allowing such bad energy in your life. Umuntu arandeba uriya sinzi ibintu yari arimo. So tugiye kugira ahantu mberamo, and yeah, that's the isomo ry'ubuzima mbaga nabahereza. Never allow bad energy in your life. Ujye ubigendera kure and you live your life. You can involve God in everything you do. Thank you. Good morning guys, how are you doing? I feel like crying. I'm so tired, my eyes, everything, like kwa kundu ugiye kumva nagushaka kubyuka. But what keeps me going is that kind of life I want for myself. I want for my future. Mom, but you guys, it's not easy. And I'm planning to start a new course, your content creation, CreateX. Now I'm going to be parenting, but I hope that God will allow me to do so. I need that. I'm so tired. I didn't know that. I'm though ndi grateful nyine ko at least mfite ahantu njya nyine byuka. Ntabwo nava ku muryango ariko nyine umutwe wanjye usigaye unanirwa cyane, ukananirwa ukaruha kandi nkumva ntacyo nakoze. Waba waranirwa wumva warushye cyane ariko ntacyo nakoze. What is that? But you guys, manumva nyine mba mbyutse ntabishaka yo. N'ubu ndamutse nirambitse gato natangenda, ariko I don't want that. Turi saa 12 hafi saa magiye kuza, and I need to go get ready ubundi ngende. I feel so tired. But I feel like I will keep going no matter what. Shitani ijye imbabarira igende. When you see you're tired, you need to sleep. Iyi ni imyuka mibi mujye muyitosha mu izina rya Yesu. Mujye muyitosha mu bwati ntabwo nkwemerera. Ndagenda ndabyuka wowe. Kuki ushaka kundyamisha. Yeah, imyuka mibi iyo ubona ufite courage, iyo ubona uri kugenda, iyo ubona nyine mu buzima uri gupushinga hard, nayo iraza imbere around, iraza igatuma ucika intege. So rero mukajya muha ikintu cyose cyatuma kigushyira down cyangwa ucika intege. Niyo kintu cyambere ngese muri bigi nakuramo. Nk'ubu namashaka kwiryamira cyangwa nindyama se akazi kanyika nkubwo nandi. Ese kuko I'm still learning the scope of work. Sibyo? Ni getting ready for that and what. So rero nyine ibi byose uramutse uryamye nta kintu wageraho, kandi umenye ko gukora cyane uko nta muntu wakuze cyane ngo ntabeho ubuzima bwiza, ntunasenge. So dusabe nema yo kumeza Imana igikomeza duhe imbaraga mu byo dukora, itinde gucika intege, muze dupushinge turoha idene n'umugisha mu byo dukora no kumenya nimba ari byacu, ariko kugira umenye ko ari byawe. Of course nuko you work for that. Imana niyo iba izi icyayi kitari cyawe. So wowe igice ugomba gukora no guhaguruka gusa, ikindi gisigaye Imana ikabikora. So I feel like nababwiye ibintu byinshi, but let me just wake up. I feel tired. Ariko nabaye muzungu, ese kuki nsigaye nsa gutya we, ko nzi ko ngira nzimba muzungu byaje bite. But yeah, it's already morning out there. Kama uriko bibona, I need to wake up. I'm right now recording on my phone. I'm recording on my phone. Yeah, but all is gonna be well. Let me just wake up. I have done playing. Imana dukomeze. I've done playing. I think I'm going to get ready, lay my bed, and I go. Ariko in the meantime, mba naniwe. Ariko I have to keep going as long as nyiriho, as long as nifite ubuzima, as long as ukiriho, as long as ufite ubuzima. Keep going, don't get weakened. Ichikinege kumeze pushing through life, through God, kumeze wagera Imana cyane ari nako pushing through life imisozo ndanira, sibyo? So reka yongewe stop by here and bye. I think I'm going to even end the video from here. Yeah, so nize kumwe like inze nimugize angaha ume aka white heart for real kugira menye ko ageze, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Yeah, and mungi muri comment ese how do you navigate that? You beautiful to navigate wumva nyine uri so weak, how do you navigate to that? Yeah, for me ndansenga nyine ngasanga Imana urabona ukuntu ubwonko bwanjye muri procrastinate ngakubyuka no kuryama, ariko what is that? Okay, ariko nyine uwo bibona. So yeah, navuga me it feels so sad, but things happen for a reason, and now let's go to teganya impanuka. So maybe I will get another one. So here it is. Can you guys see it? Okay. Yeah. So here it is, our mirror. We're going to throw it in the toilet, and I will forever remember your memories. Yeah. Mbiche memory nyinshi since 10 years ago. I cannot say how much naivuga kuko after many years since when I was in primary. So hopefully nzabona, and I loved this mirror so much. Ko nkunda mirror cyane, I hate rero iyi minutes of that. So I don't have much more to say about how I loved this mirror and the memories I held with it until now. It's gone. Yeah, feels so sad.
That has just happened. Yeah, I'm just waking up from nowhere. I just had the crush of this mirror. I don't want to even see me camera but it feels sad, and the fact that I hold memory did this memory to make him break my heart. But yeah, I don't know what to even say. It's so sad. Yeah. I'm lost in words. I don't have any words to say. Because I was in the middle of the sleep and boom, the crash from nowhere.
Okay, but let me stop by here, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.